quickly moving in qualification match 19 as the Red Alliance quickly snaps up some samples staged there on those initial spike marks. The player quickly converting them into specimens as 14725 Java the Hutt quickly grabs 2 of them, making their way back towards the high chamber of the submersible, now a third. 10 points each, a total of 30. 2 attempts for specimens on the blue side, 1 successful on the blue high chamber for 10 points, as a 5th specimen makes its way onto the high chamber for red. Now all 4 robots hopefully spring back to life as drivers pick up the controls. On the far back corner of the field after Team 11770, Curiosity of the Blue Alliance, they make their way towards the submersible zone along the back of the submersible to try to grab another sample to add to their collection in the high basket. They successfully add that to their score, another 8 points added to their total, and another pile of samples in the making there in the high basket. Curiosity back with another successfully scored as well. Along the front corner is their other Blue Alliance member, Tech-Alongs, trying to collect some additional Blue Alliance specific samples to convert into specimens. Again, those could be worth up to 10 points if scored successfully on the high chamber of that submersible. There on the far left side. In the bottom right corner of the field, with their yellow and black stripes, that's the Moment Makers, grabbing themselves some Red Alliance-specific samples now as they make their way towards the basket. They're filling that basket up with samples of either their Alliance-specific color or neutral color for 8 points each. Now a neutral sample makes its way for another 8 points as our live score under a minute shows just about 254 points to 153. We'll see how both of our alliances can add to their scores as they make their way around the field the time they have left in the match. Both Blue Alliance members briefly at the blue net zone. Looks like the Tech-Alongs now pushing these excess samples from their observation zone into the net zone at 2 points each as we hit just under 30 seconds. We'll have to see if any robots make their way into the air for an ascent on the front and back of the submersible. Moment Makers along the front, they're trying to get those last few bits of scoring in before they make their way up onto the level 1 bar. They ascend off the ground, seemingly good for a level 2. One final specimen from the Red Alliance unfortunately ends up in their machine, and one Blue Alliance robot ends up in the air. The Red Alliance with the victory in that one. Final score, 352 to 232 points.